So this is the image I'm going to use, and I am on Pixel Studio, but this is going to work on layout, pixel and vector. So now in order to resize your layers, you can either resize them from the handles, make sure to select the move tool, and then the handles here will appear, and then you can resize them. So Ctrl Z. So if you want to resize your layer into a precise size, select the transform tab here. It is not here, just go to Window, General, and then check the transform. Make sure to select your layer. And now, for example, I'm going to check this one here. So the transform will be from the center. And now I can change, for example, the width and the height. So here, as you can see, the chain icon here is unlinked. If I type, for example, let's say 1000, and then press enter, so here it is. And now let's say Ctrl Z to undo. If I check it, so now if I change it to 1000, it will resize the layer proportionally, and then press enter, so here it is. As you can see, even the height has changed. And now if you want to clip your image or Canva to your layer, so now if I go to Document, Setup, Resize, and then let's select Canva. So the size is 2000 pixels by 1333. But our layer here is 1000. So just select the layer if you want to clip the Canva to the layer, and then go to Document and then select Clip Canva. So now if I go to Document, Setup, Resize, and then select Canva. So here it is, the size has changed to our layer size.